So guys, today we are going to be giving it to this potato woto. When I say woto, I mean woto. Just peel your potato, slice it to your desired size, add sausage, okay? So after you must have added sausage, make sure you add onions. This is a simple style. Add in all the ingredients that you like, the ones in a like kiri. Oil should not be forgotten. It can be olive oil or normal oil. So after that, you have to add the cream, okay? I'm not saying yogurt or milk, just cream. Add cream and then start, to mix it together. You can see I'm mixing it together, and after that, please look for any plate or pot that can, easily be comfortable in your oven. Okay, so when you've added it in the oven, give it some minutes. Once it is done, you will know. You can see it is done. We have given it woto. Okay, serve the dish. It doesn't take much of your time. Thank you so much for watching. What kind of food are we going to be calling this?